Before using AI, I was something else. After using AI, I'm something else. Totally different myself. Totally different. This was possible because of the tools which we use. The prompt engineering schedule taken by Aditya sir in initially that helped a lot in making proper prompt and getting a proper output.
So, hello, Vijay. We are glad that you are here with us.
Hi. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So, this is a brief interview about you regarding this mastery program of B10X. So, let's get started with your introduction. Tell us about yourself, about from where you belong to, what is your occupation, and so on.
Okay. Myself, Gurnaveni Vijay. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm working as scientist at Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services. It's a part of under Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India. So I have been working in this organization since 2010. I'm working as E level now. So I have 15 years I have worked with this institution. Prior to that, I worked as a assistant manager at the Hindustan Zinc Limited in Rajasthan. Basically, I have done my BTech from Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Vijayawada, Siddhartha Engineering College. By profession, I look into civil, electrical, mechanical, AC, all the facility manager. I am facility manager for my organization. I look after the entire estate campus of 60 acres. Complete estate management is being supervised by me.
Oh, that's really very great. Yes. And is there anything to add?
Yeah, and under my supervision, I have executed around 100 crores of projects in my office, buildings, new labs. Around 50 people. My team comprises around 50 people. They are in different things like some are housekeeping, some are under horticulture, some are under electrical, mechanical. I supervise around 50 people. And in my 15 years span at Incois, I have done lots of project buildings and data center projects.
That's really very great. It was very great to know. Yes. And how did you learn about this mastery course? From where did you learn about this mastery course?
While I was going to my Instagram, I have seen some ad in the Instagram, and I thought there were very positive reviews about B10X. So I thought why I shouldn't give it a try, because now we are seeing so much of AI revolution going on in the market.
Right.
I thought it will be better to get upgraded and upskill my this thing so that it will helpful in my profession. So I thought I'll give it a try, and I attended a training program, a small workshop program with Aditya sir and Goenka sir has taken for about around 1 to 2 hours, I guess. So I was really impressed with that, and I joined in that.
That's great. That's great. And like, how did you implement your learning from the mastery program inside your workplace? Like, yes.
Yeah. So basically, in the mastery program, they have given us specific tools for which tools to be applied for which type of application, which type of process. So that tools has really helped me in my profession. For example, now I am implementing a energy saving company project at my office, from which I am going to reduce the power consumption around 30% of power consumption. That is my objective. So to reach that objective, I have to know the present condition of my equipment, how much it is consuming. Suppose if I change with new equipment in the market, how much power I can save. So this detailed analysis, there is lot of scope. Like we have air conditioning, we have lighting, we have motors, we have pumping system. There are a lot of we have so much inventory in our system. So to make a detailed analysis of how much savings can be done using it is a Herculean task to me. So I thought whether I can. So what about tools to be used under this program? So I was attending the Q&A sessions of this program. So I was interacting with Dhiraj sir and the madam, and I was checking what type of tools we use, and they have suggested some excellent tools to me for deep search, for analysis. So such type of tools like for deep search, they have suggested me to go for Perplexity AI. For making presentation, they have given me Gamma tools, how to make the presentation Gamma tools. And there are certain tools really which helped me in arriving a conclusion that how much of savings can I do by implementing this project. So after implementing the tools, I have done the analysis of the old equipment. I have given the data of my old equipment. What is the rating? What is the power rating? How much is consuming? So the tools which they give me has improved me in arriving at a percentage of savings that I could achieve by implementing this project. So what it gave is that 30% of savings power consumption can be reduced by using these tools, by doing this project. That I have arrived at this conclusion within 2 days. Generally, to arrive at this conclusion, it will take me more than 2 to 3 months, around 4 to 5 people sitting together. This only alone me, without any assistant help, I done myself using these tools which they have suggested me, and I arrived at a concrete solution. I could say presented in a concrete way to a management with proper figures, proper analysis. Proper analysis. I could present to our management, and they were so convinced with the way the data was put and the way the analysis was done, and they immediately have agreed for this project, and the tendering work started. And okay, one step is arriving at this conclusion of the project, and next step is preparing the tender document to issue the tenders, because I was a government office, we have to issue tenders. They cannot execute the work like that.
Right.
So to prepare the tender document also, the Claude A, the Grok A, those tools have helped a lot in preparing the tender document in a proper comprehensive manner.
Right.
And the tender document is published. Now we had a pre-bid meeting, and no vendor had no doubts. I was asking any doubts, any queries, any doubts, but no one has no doubts. Around 10 firms participated in pre-bid meeting. No vendor has any doubt. So it means that our document has been made in a robust way, all without leaving any gaps. This was possible because of the tools which we used. And before using AI, I was something else. After using AI, I'm something else. Totally different myself. Totally different. I am now totally converted version, upgraded version, I should say.
So you have upgraded your productivity and efficiency with the help of AI.
Absolutely, yes.
Great.
And not only that, now recently I have been selected as the nodal officer to implement this project at all the ministry levels.
That's
So,
really great. Congratulations.
So yeah, it was very helpful. Those tools are very helpful, I could say.
Okay, that's really very great. Right. So, like, a next question is, when you have purchased the mastery program, from that time till you have got this beautiful achievement, what was the time duration in which you have achieved this much of your efficiency and productivity?
I could say 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay,
Mhm.
that's really very great.
Basically, the prompt, the data cheat sheets they have given, right? They have given prompt engineering data
Right.
sheet. That helped a lot in
Okay.
making a proper prompt, getting the correct answer from the tools. Correct answer from the tools. It helped a lot. And a small refinements it will be there.
Right.
But that prompt engineering schedule taken by Aditya sir initially, that helped a lot in making proper prompt and getting a proper output.
Output, yes. Okay, that's very great. And is there any suggestion, feedback from your end for the organization for us to improve, or any suggestions or any feedbacks?
Yeah, in LMS portal there are dates are there, but I want to see that against the date who has taken the trainer name and the trainer class.
Okay.
If that is there, no, we can click on that. Now I have to enter into that. I have to click that, open that, and I have to
Right.
run the video for some time. If you can have that trainer name against each date, it will be really helpful.
Surely we'll work on it, definitely. And any feedback you have to give to other learners, like how they can achieve so many things in just a matter of few weeks or something like that.
Practice, I would say, minimum 1 to 2 hours. You do lot of brainstorming. It is the tools are so awesome, guys. You really you can reach to any level. You can you have to committedly you have to work. When I started, those 2 days I slept only for 4 hours a day for 2 days. But I thought I should complete, and within 2 days I completed the entire project proposal. You should practice. That's all. Practice only.
Okay. So thank you so much,
And
Vijay.
stay
It
updated.
was-
And
Yeah.
stay updated. Stay updated
Uh,
with new tools. That is there always.
Okay. Thank you so much, Vijay. It was very nice connecting with you and listening to your achievements through this B10X Mastery program. Thank you so much for giving your feedbacks to us and also your sharing your achievements with us. It was really very nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.